kids, it's a Bissenden Fly here, something a bit different today. Not the usual biking vlog, but I'm out at Palmdale in Southern California for the LA County Airshow. So just thought I'd do a quick vid, give you a flavour of the day. We'll try and work out how to get in first though. Oh yeah? I don't know, I need to pay on the gate. Okay, thank you. Friendly. See if we can find a. So the last lady said I need to park in that parking lot? Is that true?
Do you have a VIP pack?
I don't know.
I won't tell anyone if you don't.
Okay, brilliant.
Right.
It's what, in here, yeah?
Yeah, if you want to get way down there, actually you want to go in through that gate right there and then go through the desert. There aren't any actual street routes that way.
So what's the best way then, sorry? What's the best way to go then, sorry?
Right behind you, there's a little gap.
Yep.
Get in there and then just drive over.
Okie dokie, thanks very much.
All right.
Off-roading on a Diavel. Not great. Not the ideal machine. Man, they certainly don't skimp on staff here.
Parking pass?
Hiya. Sorry?
Parking pass?
No, I don't have one actually. The fella over there told me to ride over here. Is there somewhere hard that I can park on so the bike doesn't fall over?
Alright. Just go to the store in the orange vest and you'll guide you.
Okay, thanks.
Have a good day.
Excuse me, can you point me to where I can park where there's somewhere hard so the bike doesn't fall over? Is there a bit of firm ground somewhere I can park?
I think if you're looking for parking on a safer spot,
yeah,
closer to the building, they might lead you across the road.
Okay.
And you might find a spot there.
Thanks very much.
If they turn you around, come back to me and I'll put you somewhere.
Great,
okay?
thanks very much. Cheers. Okay, I'm looking for somewhere hard so the bike doesn't fall over. Is there some concrete over there I can park on?
No, it's just dirt.
Okay, I'll see what I can find. Okay, thanks. Aha, actual bike parking. That'll do. This looks pretty firm. Go on, machine. This does not like finding neutral. Got it. Right, see what this has got to offer.
ready, ladies and gentlemen, from the Plains of Fame Museum.
These are the heroes who helped him.
Let's just listen to the music these engines make. The sound of round and the B-29 Fifi.
How do I get out is the question. Which way is out?
Okay, you just go out to
Okay, great, thanks. Well, what a cracking day's entertainment that was. That's only the second air show I've ever been to in the US. I have to say it was absolutely brilliant. Mainly because A, the weather was just stonking, and B, because there were lots of unusual aircraft, things that you just don't see at home. For example, the B-29 Superfortress, the only flying example in the world. That was just fantastic to see. Also some warbirds. I see a lot of those at home, but not those particular ones. And of course the US display team, the Thunderbirds, their version of the Red Arrows. An awful lot of razzmatazz goes to them, I have to say, rather too much for my taste, but the flying was good once they did finally get airborne. But anyway, top day out, thoroughly recommended if you're ever in the area. Right, I've got to focus on getting home on this off-road section, and then I've got a 75-mile run back to my hotel. So, normal service resume next time. Look forward to speaking to you then. Till then, this has been the Missenden Flyer. Cheerio. Unbelievable surface on this road. It's all I can do to hang on to the bike.